What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your iPhone to the latest iOS version. Now this should happen automatically or you should get a notification for it, but if you accidentally decline that notification or for some reason it didn't show up, this is just a simple way to do it and upgrade to the latest iOS. So in order to do this, you're going to head over to your settings, then you're just going to scroll down a little bit until you get to the general option. You should be pretty familiar with this already because a lot of my videos come through the general settings. It is great to get through to anything that you'd like. Once you've clicked general though, the second option down from here though is going to be your software update. And this is where you want to look to update to the latest version of iOS. It might take a second to load, but as you can see now, right at the top there is an option for automatic updates. This is what you want to turn on if you automatically want to update. It's probably off if you're watching this video, but you can see here that there's two different updates you want. You could upgrade to the beta version of iOS 15, or you could just upgrade to the latest version, which is iOS 14.8. Both are the same. Usually I don't go for the beta version because I'm not all that interested in technology and I could wait for it to be the real version. There's not really that many changes anyway, but you always want to just be upgrading your software just so it can stay relevant and up to date. There is also a link there as well as a learn more option highlighted in blue. If you want to see what this update is all about and see all the latest features, you can click on either of those links or both and figure out exactly what you're getting with this newest update. If it's not a new version of iOS like a 14.8 or a 14.7 or 14.9, chances are there not going to be that many features. But if you did want to update to iOS 15, you're going to get a lot more features. And if you want to upgrade to the beta version, you're probably going to want to read exactly what that comes with. That's pretty much all there is to it though. If you were confused or had any questions, be sure to drop a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.